Hi everyone, David Jackson here, slingandstonemarketing.com, and in this video I'm going to cover a lead magnet. I'm going to go over what it is, how it's used in business, what pitfalls you should look out for, and how to use it effectively to grow your business. So let's start by defining what a lead magnet is. First you have lead, which could be somebody who fills out a form in order to request a quote, or they may give you a call to talk about some of the services that you have to offer. But basically it is when a person is taking some form of action because they are ready to communicate with your business. Then you have a magnet, which is, well, basically something that is attracting a person to you. Something that gets them to stop down and take a look at what you have to offer. Lead magnets are primarily used for list building. So you would give away a free guide or a white paper or maybe even a checklist of the top things that you need to look for in order to accomplish some type of result. And in exchange for receiving that guide or that checklist, you want them to fill out a form or submit their email address. This gives you permission to start a dialogue with them. You can send them even more helpful information and nurture a relationship with them that can eventually lead to a sale. And lead magnets can be used also for offline calls as a way of immediately following up with them after they submit a form. Now, a couple of things that you want to avoid when generating your lead magnet is to make sure that you're not filling it with a lot of generic information, stuff that is not valuable or would be a waste of time for the person to read. If they can easily do a quick search on a search engine to find the exact same information, then you need to rethink what you're using as a lead magnet. Also, having them jump through too many hoops in order for them to get your download or your guide or your checklist. You should only gather the bare amount of information that you need in order to continue communicating with them. So things like a name and an email address should be enough, or maybe even their phone number if you are going to call them right away. You don't need to get their home address or any other sensitive information at this point. You can get those details in the follow-up once you are able to establish a rapport with them and they can trust you and not worry about you being a spammy site that is just trying to steal their information. Now, the best way to improve your lead magnet in terms of bringing you more leads is to know your audience. You need to know what their pain points are and what their desires are. What information will move them closer to achieving that goal or overcoming a pain? Because when you know your audience, you know where they are starting from and you know where they want to go. You know all of the different steps that are required in order for them to get from point A to point B. So if you provide some results for them in terms of moving them to that first step, then it will make it easier for you to sell them on your main offer. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. It will give me an opportunity to help others. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button. If you have any questions about problems that you're having with marketing your business, leave them below in the comments section. I would love to help you out. I thank you for taking your time to watch this, and I will see you in the next video.